Okay. This is week 11 for the JavaScript and HTML Tic-Tac-Toe game. And here, let's go over to the. This is, my alerts. I'm just like kind of defining stuff, like for what it what it shows up on the website and stuff. Then this is, my boxes. I'm just like defining them and stuff. We see here turn 0 right now. There's no winner. This is the outcomes of like there's 8 different winning outcomes. And then I have, there's a winner. It shows winners, blah blah blah. And then we come here, we say, let combo of winning outcomes, which is ones, check for winner, current player. If there is a winner, yeah, and then by turn 9, there's a winner, alert draw. If there is no winner, what is it? Then there's a draw. I did actually have a problem with this because I had 2 problems actually. The first problem was the game would immediately end after 5 turns, and that was because of it says here, it ends, if there's 4 more turns. That was because I had added 2 pluses on here, so I'm not gonna add it, but there was 2 plus signs. So basically, when I went, console would log another turn, then I would go again, and then there would be 4 turns instead of just 2. So that was the first issue, and then I fixed that, and I was done. And then, or was I? This one, I forgot the hashtag or the pound sign, and that caused it would not display draw. So it would just like end. And I was like, okay, well, it needs to display alert draw because, as it says here, it should be saying that, but it did not. But I added the hashtag and I took away the plus signs and it started working again. So those are the biggest issues I ran into. Those kind of the big ones, and I, was like, I don't know what's wrong, blah, 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 I can't figure it out. But if we go over to here, and click start, I'm gonna try my best to, here, I'll just show all of them. 0, 0, X, 0, X. Okay, there's a draw. Now we can restart it. All right, and then let's do it again. I'm gonna try and get player 1, or maybe player 2. Player 2 wins. Let's get player 1 to win. Player 1 wins. All right. I go to my console. Says checking for winner X, game over. And then when we restart, we capture over the console. It's okay. It resets everything. So that is the code. The other thing that I didn't really like was the CSS. I'm not sure if I did something wrong. It looked correct to me, but it wouldn't let me. It would not change the width no matter what I do. I'm not gonna mess with it now because I just don't want to break anything. But so this was like the best sized board I could get. And it looks fine. I'm not too upset about that. It's not broken or anything. It still works, so yeah.